My name is Caden, and I've taken lessons for 2 years, and I've played guitar for 3 years. I decided to start looking for lessons instead of looking online because I was kind of learning stuff on my own, and I wasn't able to keep good rhythm. It was hard for me to play along with songs, and just reading tab and some sheet music, it was really confusing for me, and so I just decided that lessons would be the best thing for me, and I thought just having someone teaching me through the process of how to do some of that stuff, and not only just play songs, but I wanted to try and start being able to do some ear training and start being creative on my own. And I knew if I was just looking up songs online, that wasn't going to happen for me. So I decided to take lessons at SLC Guitar instead of going to other places, because when I first started looking for lessons, I did a consultation at this place close to my house, and the guy pretty much told me that we were just going to slow down some songs I wanted to learn, and we were just going to learn all my favorite songs. And I thought that sounded good at the time, but then I tried a consultation here, and he said that we'd be learning over some songs that I would like to play, and also more about how music actually works and how I could be creative. And that concept was so amazing to me. I was just hooked. It only took a couple of weeks to really just start to see improvement. I was only practicing 30 minutes a day, but just within a couple of weeks I saw instant improvement. I was able to keep rhythm better, I was able to play chords better, I was able to play along with stuff better. It was pretty much instant. After taking lessons here for only a year and a half, I went from not being able to play basic rhythms to being able to play 𝗔𝗯𝐴 𝗔𝗂𝐁 for my school talent show. And nonetheless to say that it was pretty good too. If you're thinking about taking lessons at SLC Guitar, I would say definitely do it, because when you come to SLC Guitar, you're going to become the guitar player that you want to be, and you're going to achieve the guitar playing dreams that you have with massively less time.